So I found this to be a hard question, and the first step you want to do is to isolate what A is. You can choose either one, but I'll choose A. So we get B minus 9 over 9B, which means A is the reciprocal of that. And I'll also use this condition, A is less than or equal to B. And because both A and B are positive, I can just kind of strike that out. In general, you can't do that with the inequalities. And then move this, B minus 9 is greater than or equal to 9, or B is greater than or equal to 18. So that's the first constraint. Now this piece has to be an integer, and the technique that I use is, can I rewrite this as a multiple of B minus 9 and some other things? And the way to do that is to subtract 81 and add. And why is that? Because if you factor in 9 here, you will get 9 times B minus 9. And why am I doing this? So that you can pull out the integer part of A, and then we have 81 minus B, 81 over B minus 9. And now I just have to focus on what values of B would give me this as an integer, 81 divided by B minus 9. And I also have that constraint. So I have to look for factors of 81. So if I list them, 1 and 81, next one would be 3 and 27, because 1 times 81 is 81, 3 times 27. So both are factors. And then 9 times 9. So these are my possible values for B minus 9, all 5 of these, because there are 5 factors of 81, including 1 and 81 itself. So I just have to examine these. So if B minus 9, well, because B has to be greater than or equal to 18, it can't be 1. So the first one, it also can't be 3, because in that case, B would be 12. So the only ones I have to examine for B minus 9 are 9, 27, and 81. In these cases, B would be 18, 36, I'm just adding 9, and 90. And the value of A would be, in this case, it would be 9 plus 9, or 18. And this is fine because A can be equal to B. So that's my first set. If B is 36, or B minus 9, I should say, is 27, A would be 9 plus 81 over 27, which is 12. So that also works, because our constraint is satisfied that B is greater than or equal to A. And then if B minus 9 is 81, then this would be just 1, and A would be 10. That also works. So these are the 3 pairs that are solutions. So the answer is 3. But in my opinion, this is a hard question, because it's easy to kind of get confused in terms of finding those pairs. I think it is hard to kind of just locate these without kind of going through this logic, but maybe there is another easier way that I don't see right now. But this is what I have. The answer is 3.